Hello everyone. Okay, y'all, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer. I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs, and I'm finally coming to y'all with this video. Okay, we're going to make some earrings using this trim. I posted a video a couple days ago showing y'all this trim, and I made a pair of earrings from it. So basically, I'm going to show you, I could basically really only get one pair of earrings from this trim, y'all, okay? So here are the items that you will need. Now, like I said, I got this trim from Michael's a while ago. I'm not sure if they still have this, but the design that I'm going to show you how to do, you can do this design with you can, if you can find this trim, you can do the design. Okay, so you're going to need some type of trim like this. You're going to need your shape object or whatever you're going to be using. I'm going to be using this wood bead right here. You're also going to need some wire cutters around those pliers, some scissors, of course. You're going to need a ruler to measure your wire. This is aluminum wire. You're going to need 12 inches, okay? You're going to need your fish hook, and you're also going to need your handy dandy glue gun, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my trim. Now I got to snip off some of these pieces right here. That's kind of falling apart. So I'm just going to snip that like that. And my heat just came on, y'all, so please try to bear with me. All right, so basically what I'm going to do next is I am going to take my trim and I'm going to put a little bit of glue down the bottom, okay? So I'm going to take my glue gun and put a little bit of glue right there, just like that. I'm going to take my trim and place it just like this, okay? And I'm pretty much starting on the end of my trim, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do, and I may have to go get another glue stick because I don't know if I'm gonna have, I should have enough. So the next thing I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to start wrapping my wood bead. And like I said, I'm starting down at the bottom. I'm going to put some glue right here. So I'm going to put some glue here, just like that. And I'm going to take and bring this piece over just like that. Okay? Now I'm going to start just wrapping it. And as I'm wrapping it, I'm holding it as tight as I can get it. Okay. Now, when I get to about right here, like almost in the middle, I'm going to hit it with some more glue. I'll put a little bit like that. Then I'm going to bring this piece over like that, and then just continue to wrap it. Keep going around. Okay. Now when I get to the top, I'm going to kind of sort of leave a little bit out. I'm going to leave a little bit of my bead out. So I'm pretty much where I want to be. I'm just going to take my scissors and snip it right here. I gotta do it this way. I don't want to cut my hand. Okay, and then I'm going to take some glue. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue right there. A little bit of glue right in here, and I'm just gonna bring this over like that. Just like that. Okay. Now, once you cut it, it gets a little raggedy. Once you cut it, it will get a little, some of the pieces will, like, you'll have little pieces that'll be like sticking up. So basically what you want to do with those is you don't want to cut them completely, just snip them halfway. Just like that. Okay, and that's all, pretty much all you do. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my aluminum wire that I have right here, and I'm going to make a loop up at the top of it. For those of you who know me, you already know what I'm getting ready to do. So I'm going to make my loop just like that, and I'm going to come down till about right there. So about 1/2 inch, I'm going to come down. I'm going to start wrapping. As a matter of fact, I got to cut this piece because this is still a little straggler. Like I said, I'm going to come down about 1/2 inch, just like this. I'm going to make sure that my piece is turned this way. Okay. And I'm going to hold it as hard as I can and start wrapping it. Okay. Start wrapping it. Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all, that I went out of focus. Okay, hold it as tight as you can, and then you just want to start wrapping it. Okay, just like that. Just start wrapping it. Now, when I get to the top, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. I'm going to take my glue gun and I'm going to put some glue all on this right here. Just a little bit of glue on that right there. And then I'm going to continue to just wrap it around like this. And I'm going to continue wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until I don't see the tip of it. Till the tip has disappeared. All right, and there we have it. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do, because this is going to be the front, I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to come and cut that just like that, and then I'm going to make my loop and tuck it down inside. So I'm going to tuck it down just like that, and I'm going to pinch it straight up just like that. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm going to open up my fish hook and I'm going to place it on my fish hook. And here you have yourself a gorgeous pair of earrings. Those are gorgeous. All right. Okay, y'all. So with that being said, this was easy, quick, and simple. Something different. I have seen, I've never seen, I haven't seen anything like this yet. But y'all will be the first to make it. Find that trim. And as a matter of fact, you know what, y'all? The sky is the limit. I'm going to say it like that. The sky is the limit. So with that being said, I want to thank y'all. I'm sorry about the noise that's going on. That's my heat running. I'm in another room. Actually in my back room trying to do this recording. I hope you all can hear me loud and clear. But anyway, I want to take the time out to say thank y'all so very much for those of you who have been supporting me, watching these videos. I greatly appreciate it so very much. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to this here platform and would like to see more of what I do, then please subscribe. Once you subscribe, you'll get notifications. Make sure you hit the all button so that once I upload the video, you will be the first to get notification to let you know that I have a video live or video that's playing, okay? So I want to thank y'all for watching and have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.